Very good morning to all. Myself, Mr. S. Arun Murugan, Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Technology, K.S. Rangaswamy College of Technology, Autonomous, Tirunelveli. Today we are going to discuss about the topic as SDLC in the subject of software engineering. What is meant by SDLC? SDLC means Software Development Life Cycle. In the software development life cycle, mainly we are creating a some project, we are doing some project. In that project, with the help of SDLC only, we are going to complete the entire projects. List of software development life cycle models. There are various types of models are available. What are they means? Waterfall model, V model, incremental model, iterative model, spiral model, Big Bang model, angle model, ride model, prototype model, and DevOps model. These are the various models we are implemented in the SDLC. Now we are moved to waterfall model. Today we are discuss only for waterfall model. Waterfall model is the first model from SDLC. The waterfall model is one of the earliest SDLC model. It is a linear and sequential model. Each phases must be completed before move to the next. By using this waterfall model as a basic model, it's easily to develop some project with the help of waterfall models. Next, move on to the phases of waterfall model. There are different phases are available. What are they means? Requirement analysis, system design, implementation, iteration and testing, deployment, and then maintenance. These are the 6 mode analysis we are going to implemented in the waterfall model. First, move on to waterfall model diagrams. What is in the diagram itself? We can analyze the first one is requirement. First of all, we are going to develop some project. Before that project, we have to assign what are the requirements we needed for completing this project. We are going to first we are going to guess it, and then if you have got requirements, we are going to design that some projects and then develop it. Finally, you are going to test the coding and then deployment and then maintain that particular softwares. These are the basic concepts of flow of diagram in waterfall model. In that waterfall model, we have one more concept is first one is communication. Communication means it is mainly communicated with the user and project agents. Okay, and the next we have to communicate itself. Then only move on to the planning. How to develop this project? We are going to plan that projects, and the next move on to the model. How many models we are going to implemented in the particular project in the modeling concept. Next one, construction. We are going to construct the development project by using a coding or the front-end coding database. We are going to construct the project, and then deployment means we are going to deliver and then report and then feedback of the particular users. Okay. Next one is requirement model. In that requirement model, you understand and document what the system should do. No code and design at these phases. By using this requirement model, requirement specific some documents. Next, move on to system design. In the system design means it is used to architecture for the particular software. By using the design itself, easily to understand that particular projects. By using this design itself, we are easily to understand it. What the projects we are going to implement, the design itself we are going to send that out. What is the output come? What are the tools we are implemented? What are the frames we are doing? Frameworks, everything you are going to design it. After designing, we are going to implement. Implement is, for example, I am going to work this project from the Python. I am going to develop the coding from the Python itself. In that Python coding, I'm going to design, already we are going to design it. In the design concept itself, we are going to implement some coding by using this Python. That is a source code. In the source code itself, we are used for whether the error, if you are going to rectify that particular error, everything from the implementation, we are going to develop the coding. By using the testing itself, there are different testings are available. Unit testing, integrated testing, and the system testing. By using this testing itself, we are going to rectify some bugs or errors. This is called main purpose of testing. Next, move on to deployment and maintenance. Whether using the deployment, if your project is successfully completed from the given that user concept, I am going to successfully complete it and hand over to the particular user. If the user has satisfied, they're going to maintain the some maintenance. If you want to some updation means the user asking some updation means the we are going to implement some updation of the some projects. These are called maintenance. And then finally we got a feedback itself, but these are all comes under from waterfall model. Next, move on to advantage of waterfall model. It's simply and easy to use, easy to manage due to right models. Phrases are processed and completed one at a time. Next, move on to use case. By use case itself, we are going to understand the project, fixing the fixed requirements, and the short-term project it will be completed from the waterfall module. It's a low complexity. Finally, we are conclude waterfall module is the best for predictable, low risk projects. No idea for project requiring flexibility or frequently update. Thank you.